Welcome. If you love using stickers on Discord and want them to always be animated on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable the Always Animate stickers feature on Discord Mobile. This is the updated method, so you can be sure you're getting the latest information. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you directly to your user settings. Now that you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, look for the option called Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up a range of options that help customize your Discord experience. Next, you'll want to scroll down within the Accessibility menu. Keep going until you see the section titled Stickers. Under this section, you'll find an option called Always Animate. This is the setting that controls whether your stickers will always play their animations, even if you're scrolling or switching channels. To turn this on, simply tap the toggle next to Always Animate. Once it's switched on, all stickers you send or receive in Discord chats will be animated by default. No more static stickers, just smooth, lively animations every time. And that's it. You've now enabled Always Animated stickers on Discord Mobile. This small change can make your chats more fun and expressive, especially if you love using animated sticker packs. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and updates. Enjoy your animated stickers and happy chatting.